what's up guys? And right now it is 1:02, not PM, it's AM. I don't know why I'm doing this. I guess I hate myself. My room is a mess right now. Let me show you guys. This is my room. It is like from here, this corner. This is all just empty cans, and that right there. So to be quite honest, I can't really talk really loud right now because it's 1 PM, everybody's sleeping. So got this light, these ambient light. I kind of want them like for a long time now. I kind of want to install them, but my room is such a mess right now. So kind of want to install, like clean my room first, install it later. So here's a time lapse. Okay, alright. That was quicker than I thought. Yeah guys, so I need to figure out how these lights work. Never really used them before. Oops. Oh my god, this is cool. Whoa, I never used this before. This is so cool. Wow, this is the ultimate YouTube lighting. This is so cool. Today is my mom's birthday apparently, so we're gonna go out and kind of just go to a beach, relax a bit. We're not gonna celebrate too much because the whole COVID thing, especially lockdown, I think just got more intense. But we're just gonna go out, like go to a beach or something, like relax a bit, took some pictures. Then we're probably just gonna get back. Yeah, so that's that. Let's go. Oh, also, I bought the wireless charging pad for my Tesla, so I'm gonna get that installed too. So yeah, let's go.
Music bed.
I'll be a shadow. Go wherever you want to go. You can take me to the greatest unknown. As long as I'm in your heart. And lately, I've been thinking about you on a daily. The way you look at me, it drives me crazy. Yeah, you had me from the start. Whoa, oh, let me be your shadow man. We can fly to Neverland. Let me be your shadow man. Whoa, oh, oh, let me be your shadow man. Darling, won't you take my hand? Let me be your shadow man, shadow man.
Music bed.
I super wish I bought my 15mm here so I can get like some like kind of like semi telephoto shot, but apparently I did not because I don't want to carry my big heavy freaking backpack. Yeah, you know, my next lens I'm gonna get is like 24-70, so I can look at it. Oh my goodness, I can literally just put this as like a photograph. Holy crap. Yeah, so next lens I probably gonna get like a 24-70, so like from the wide angle to like a telephoto I can get like the full range, or almost like a full range. So yeah, we're going back now, but I don't know where my car is. So apparently I can see through the Tesla app. Yeah, so see you guys back.
Go wherever you want to go. You can take me to the greatest unknown. As long as I am in your heart. And lately, I've been thinking about you on daily.
Alright, we're back. So today is actually quite surprising because when I left, I definitely did not think that I'm gonna film something that pretty, but apparently, yeah, when I left, I definitely didn't even think about that. But now, everything is cool. I'm gonna go home and edit it. Probably, hope, if I'm not lazy. Alright. Kind of.
Let me be a shadow man, shadow man.